Hello. In the previous video, we created the platform so we can add extra components on our model, but the problem is that it was connected to the chassis. We want it to be a different body that needs to be attached with screws into the old chassis. We will discuss why this method is advantageous, because the printing time will be less and the costing material will be again decreased. So let's start dividing those components, make some clearance for the screws, and then put them in place using screws from MIGmaster catalog. So let's start. But we have a slightly small inconvenience when it comes to 3D printing. Let's hide the other components and let only the chassis, and let's observe it. So what could be the problem? The problem is that the platform has a very big surface that it's like floating. And what does it mean? Correctly, we'll need a lot of supports. So if I go to Prusa Slicer, I already can see that there are a lot of supports here, and I don't want this. I don't need them. I just want to print the bottom part of the chassis and then the platform. So this is a solution. The solution that I'm gonna use is that I will split the platform to the bottom part of the body so we can print them separately, and then we'll need 0 supports. So let's do this. I will activate the car chassis. I will go to construct, offset plane, and I'll select the bottom plane of the platform. I'll click OK. And now I can go to the modify, split body. I will select the chassis and then the plane. And let's see what Fusion did. Well, now we have 2 different bodies. So I will rename this one as car chassis platform. And also I go to the construction, car chassis platform. Awesome. Okay, I will hide the plane. I don't need it anymore. Well, that's great. But I will make those 2 as components. And so now what I need to do is to hold in place the top chassis to the bottom chassis. And we will do this using MIGmaster screws. But what do we need to do first before adding the screws? Yes, we need to add some clearance. So I have the car chassis activated, and I will hide a little bit the platform, and I will start some sketches on top of these pillars. It's very important I will not add holes in this area, because here I will have the screws for the wheels. So I will select the top, I will capture the position. And what I want to do is to see the middle. And I will create 2 holes of 2 centimeters on here, and one as close as the other screws. So I will go like 2. Okay, and I will try a trick. I will try to create here a line, a symmetry line, and I will use the mirror option to project the holes on the other side as well. Awesome. I will click Finish Sketch. I will go to the sketch and I will rename it Holes for Platform Screws. Okay. And what do I need now to do is select the holes, of course. And I will show the car chassis platform as well, because I want to go 2 sides. So I will cut one way and 2 sides, because I will cut in the other way as well. Something like this. I don't need the screws to go full down. So I will click OK. And now I have the clearance. A different tool of fillet is chamfer, which goes with straight faces, not with curved. So like this. It's a little bit extra, so I will go just one. Wonderful.